How to fix WS-38220-5 error in Overwatch. Here are some tips that would help you fix WS-38220-5 error in the Overwatch game. 1. For PS4 players, check PSN and see if you ran into yet another network problem. 2. Try reconfiguring the network settings in your PlayStation 4. Option 1. Use some manual IP address, and set the rest network settings to automatic. Option 2. Try a different DNS server. For more info, Google free DNS server. 3. For Windows players, update your system and device drivers, using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide.